Greeting entrepreneurs and beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to Learn with Abubakar, the space where we dive into the world of products and their creation. Today's journey takes us into the realm of shampoo and not just any shampoo. We are exploring how to make it at a commercial level. Shampoo, a daily essential for many and any industry worth billions. Ever thought about creation your own line of shampoo at a commercial level? Today we are uncovering the secrets behind this beauty industry giant. First things first, understanding formulations. Commercial shampoos are crafted through meticulous research and formulations, balance cleansing agents, conditioning elements, and fragrances to create a product that not only cleans hair but also provides a delightful user experience. Key ingredients and raw materials. The heart of any shampoo is its ingredients. Commercial production requires sourcing high quality raw materials. Think surfactants for cleaning, emollients for smoothness, and preservatives for stability. Each ingredient is carefully selected to achieve the desired product characteristic. Each ingredient is carefully selected to achieve the desired product characteristics. Now let's talk manufacturing. Commercial shampoo production involves mixing, heating, and cooling processes on an industrial scale. This ensures consistency in each batch from giant mixing tanks to high speed filling lines. It's a dance of precision and efficiency. Packaging is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and protection. Commercial shampoos go through rigorous quality control to ensure they meet safety and efficacy standards. Every bottle leaving the production line is a promise of quality to the customer. So we have to provide customer a very good packaging. There you have it, a glimpse into the world of commercial shampoo production. Crafting a shampoo line requires expertise, dedication, and a commitment to quality. If you are considering entering the beauty industry, remember each bottle tells a story of innovation and care. If you find this behind the scenes look intriguing, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellows aspiring entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more insights into the world of product creation. Until next time, dream big, work hard, and work with more consistency and create products that make a difference. And in the next video, we will talk about how to sell shampoo in the market.